Go to New in your workspace and click on New Event Stream. Give it a name like I'm giving it right now. And then once you get into the event stream, you get to see that you have new sources, new destinations. And then in here, I'm going to click on sample data and give it a name, the New York taxi trips data. And I'm going to choose the yellow taxi. I'll click in add and then I'll wait to load. It's streaming. As you guys can see, I have my event streams and now I need a destination. I'm going to get this data into my KQL database. I'll give it a name, my New York taxi database, select the workspace, and then select the database that I already have created previously, the New York taxi database, and then add in configure. In here, once it loads, you can give it a name to the new table, and then in the source, you get to see that we have the sources type, stream name, and then you can add parameters also, um, as compression, properties, and also retrieval start date. Now that the next button has loaded, let's click on it and then go to schema. This piece here may take a while, but once it loads, you can select the data format that you want. For instance, I will want here as JSON format, and I'll just change two columns here so we can have a different data type for them. This one is going to be an int, and the passenger, this one here, it's going to be a, not a Rio, it's going to be a long. Cool. So I can include and not include the events here and select format, but let's go to next, wait this to load. Nothing crazy. And then once this finishes up, okay, done, close. You get to see that now it's going to load. Now, when it's streaming, I have my event stream, but this is giving me a warning because it's not saved yet. It's not finished up, but now it is. So it's ingesting the data, and now I can see my data preview. And as you guys can see, I have also my insights. It shows me how much data am I sending and receiving, all of that kind of stuff. So let's go now to my New York taxi database.